Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. As always, want to thank you guys for supporting the channel. All the viewers, all the subscribers, immensely appreciate the support. Today, as you can see here, I have ORI pulled up on screen, Old Republic, and today I just want to touch base with a dividend that I captured about 2 weeks ago or so. This is in response to a number of viewers who wanted to kind of see how that dividend process worked with regards to capture. So if we remember back to my prior video, this stock had a special dividend of $1 per share with an ex-dividend date on 1/9. If we go to the bottom here where my orders are, you can see I placed a large order here on the 5th of January, 200 shares at $20.89. Total equity value for that particular trade, $4,177.80. So on the 5th here, I made that purchase, $20.89. If we go up to the top here for the graph, very interesting that on the 5th here, it's actually showing $19.87. So it looks like the graph here is automatically adjusted with that stock dividend taken out of the graph here. Very, very interesting because, again, I bought this on the 5th for $20.89. That's very close to what this graph is showing here. And then on the 9th was the ex-dividend date. If we go all the way over to the 9th here, you can see it's still trading at $19.82. So really it should have dropped $1. So it should have dropped here on the 5th from $20.88, or so down on January 9th here, $1. So this is definitely $1 down here, $19.82. But it looks like the graph has already been automatically adjusted with that dividend taken out of the graph. Haven't noticed that before. Very, very interesting. So that must be taken into consideration when you're taking a look, because a lot of new viewers on the channel as well were wondering, why does the stock drop by the price of the dividend? And that's all done automatically by the stock market exchange. They take that price out of the stock just because really the stock is giving back, or the company is giving back to the shareholder, essentially equity in the company. So the company value will drop by the exact amount of the dividend. So if the dividend is $1 per share, you can essentially think of that as the company giving back to the shareholders value in the company. So the stock price is dropped by $1. But very interesting, I did not realize that Robinhood here has already taken that price out of the stock. Again, this should be $20.87 here. Then on the 9th, it should have dropped by $1, so this would be $19.82. With this here, again, being $20.87. So a little bit different there. And just to show you guys the dividend on the bottom here, you can see the dividend on the 31st of January here, $252, essentially $1 per share. Again, this was a special dividend with Old Republic, not a normally scheduled dividend, a special dividend. And you can see I had that captured here. And it always takes a few days for that to show up in the history here. Some of you guys were also wondering that you jumped into a stock, you sold off on the ex-dividend date, and were worried that you did not capture the dividend. But it just takes a few days sometimes for this to update. And again, this is a pending dividend here. This will be paid out at a later date. The payment date will be 1/31, as you can see up on top there. Scheduled payment 1/31. So yeah, just wanted to quickly touch base again with ORI, Old Republic. And again, I bought this for $20.89. You can see it's definitely been recovering its price here over the past week or so, up 1.61%. So I would imagine within the next couple of weeks or so, this will fully recover that special dividend. So if I wanted to get out of the trade at that point, I could. But I think this is a great company moving forward. This is a blue chip company, a very well-respected company with a very good dividend yield, as you can see in the middle there, 3.947%. Very, very reasonable PE ratio there as well, essentially showing how expensive a stock is. Please take a look at my prior videos talking about the PE ratio, but that's a very good metric to kind of consider if a stock is a little bit too pricey or not. And the market cap there, very large company, $5.35 billion. So just wanted to, again, touch base with ORI here, Old Republic, on that special dividend capture, to update you guys on what had happened with that. Again, from some inquiries on the channel, you guys wanting to see exactly what happened with that dividend capture. So let me know if you guys also jumped into ORI here, Old Republic, for that $1 special dividend. Are you guys going to be looking to sell off in a swing trade, or are you going to be doing what I'm doing and holding for the longer term with that great dividend yield? And hopefully over a number of years, this will have a very good return, not only with the dividend, but also with some capital appreciation as well. So again, just wanted to do a quick video here updating you guys on that special dividend capture. And kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, we'll see you then.